With Mirador, you can do more than just manage your Android and Apple devices. It's a wise move to manage your Windows devices as well. Windows devices can be vulnerable, which is why we offer patch management in Mirador. We'll share specifics around this feature in a later video in this series. To add a Windows device to Mirador, click on Enroll Device and select Windows. For Windows 10 and 11 devices, choose Full. For Windows 7 or 8 devices, choose Light. Note that some Windows editions, such as Windows Home Edition, will have some management limitations. Enter the intended device user's email address, click on Next to send the enrollment invitation, and follow the instructions listed in this view. Now your Windows device is enrolled in Mirador. Click on Show Device, and you will see the device's data. Options for enrolling multiple devices at once can be found by clicking the QR code below.